Hello, my name is Rachel Terry with The Hope Place, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about burnout in moms with ADHD. So I have a workshop coming up on the 23rd of November at 7 o'clock. It will be a Zoom meeting, but I will also be sending you a workbook, and in this workbook we're going to test 3 different categories of burnout. So we will go over this in the workshop together on the Zoom meeting, and we're going to measure things like emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, and lack of personal achievement. Kind of what that means is that we're going to measure how exhausted you feel, not necessarily energy, like physical energy, but more like emotional energy, and how we can direct our energy a little bit better. But also depersonalization, that's the blue one. What that means is that we're going to measure how detached you feel from your kids or from your family due to burnout. And then we're also going to measure your feelings of lack of personal achievement. Now, whether or not you are actually not achieving a thing doesn't connect to the feeling of achievement that we get sometimes. So we're going to measure those 3 things and then talk about how we can solve them, or how we can raise our scores so that we don't feel so burned out. We don't feel like we're detaching from our families as much. A lot of the solutions here are geared towards ADHD moms, but don't necessarily have to be ADHD solutions. So if you would like, you can go to our website and click on the link and register for our workshop. Thanks.